Before you reach for another anti-aging serum, let's talk about the one oil your skin already understands, because nature's been whispering the secret all along. Hey, beautiful souls, I'm Jenice Story, nurse, founder of AJ's EO Infusions, and this is your Soulful Sunday moment, where beauty meets gratitude and we remind ourselves that slowing down isn't falling behind, it's how we glow. Before we dive in, remember, this video is for educational and inspirational purposes. Always consult your licensed professional for individual skincare needs. We just crossed 56 incredible subscribers in October, 56 people choosing to pause and glow together each week. If that sounds like your kind of space, tap subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss your weekly ritual of peace, purpose, and polish. If you love learning about essential oils, self-care rituals, and wellness that heals from within, go ahead and tap subscribe and click that little bell so you never miss your Sunday ritual with me. Somewhere along the line, aging became something we feared instead of something we honored. We see the ads erase, tighten, lift, conceal, but your skin doesn't need a war, it needs a relationship. When I created the lip ritual, I wanted more than hydration. I wanted healing. For women who are tired of chasing filters and ready to feel free in their glow. So let's answer the question people have been asking on Google My Business this week. What's the most powerful anti-aging essential oil? The answer, frankincense. Ancient Egyptians called it liquid gold. It encourages cell regeneration, improves elasticity, and softens the look of fine lines. Combine that with lavender to calm inflammation and peppermint to awaken circulation. And you have a trio that revives tired skin while refreshing your spirit. These are the same 3 oils inside the lip ritual. If you're ready to turn your skincare into self-care, I invite you to try the lip ritual. It's more than lip care. It's a no-rinse wellness moment. Use it morning, night, or when life feels heavy, because your glow shouldn't depend on your schedule. You can explore it anytime at AJ's EO Infusions. I'll link it below. Let's pause for a second. Every smile line, every freckle, every change you see is proof of life. Those aren't imperfections, they're imprints of laughter, of strength, of survival. Frankincense reminds me to honor that, to look in the mirror and say, I'm grateful for what I see. Because gratitude slows the aging process faster than any serum ever could. When you feel thankful, your body relaxes, your hormones balance, your glow returns naturally. Even with 56 souls here, our watch time in October grew because we're showing up intentionally, not endlessly. Essential oils are pure plant power, strong but fleeting. Infusions are slow steeped, patient, nurturing, long-lasting. Now let's go a little deeper. What makes AJ's EO Infusions different? Most brands use essential oils alone. Powerful, yes, but sometimes harsh or short-lived. I use an infusion method. We steep essential oils in carrier oils like jojoba and coconut over time. AJ's EO Infusions combines both to create luxurious yet gentle formulas. This creates a gentler, longer-lasting blend that your skin can absorb with love, not shock. It's slow beauty, intentional, patient, luxurious. Glow isn't rushed, it's revealed. So I have a question for you. What's one thing you're thankful for about your skin? Maybe it's how it healed after a breakout. Maybe it's how it glows when you rest. Drop your answer in the comments. I love reading them. It reminds me that we're all on this journey together, learning to love ourselves layer by layer. If you're enjoying this conversation, don't miss this week's Wellness Wednesday podcast. I'll be diving into the difference between essential oils and infusions and how that understanding can elevate your entire skincare and wellness routine. You can listen on Spotify, Amazon, iHeartRadio, or right from our website. I'll have the links below. As we step into this Thanksgiving season, remember, anti-aging isn't about turning back the clock. It's about turning inward. Gratitude softens us. Essential oils support us. And intention sustains us. If this Soulful Sunday moment touched your heart, please like, comment, and share it with someone who deserves a reminder to rest and glow. Subscribe for more weekly rituals, reflections, and real-life healing, because your glow journey is just getting started. With care and clarity, Jenice Story, founder, AJ's EO Infusions. Take a deep breath and remember your glow is already within you. Every time you pause for your ritual, you're choosing peace over pressure, and that's what truly radiates beauty. If this Soulful Sunday moment spoke to your spirit, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps this community grow and spreads a message of slow, intentional beauty to more people who need it. You can explore the lip ritual and more holistic wellness favorites at AJ's EO Infusions. And if you want to stay connected, join our Glow Notes newsletter for weekly rituals, behind the scenes, insights, and wellness freebies.